Tandragee. Tandragee, from Irish Tóin Gaoith, meaning backside to the wind, is a village in County Armagh, Northern Ireland. It is built on a hillside overlooking the Cusher River in the civil parish of Ballymore and the historic barony of Orior Lower. It had a population of 3,486 people in the 2011 census. Overlooking the village is Tandragee Castle. Originally the seat of the O'Hanlon sept, the chiefs of Orior, it was taken over by the English during the Plantation of Ulster and rebuilt in about 1837 for the 6th Duke of Manchester. Today its grounds are home to the Tayto potato crisp factory. Northern Ireland Electricity has an interconnector to County Louth in the Republic of Ireland from the outskirts of the town. Earlier spellings of the name include Tanderagee and Tonregee. Education: Tandragee Primary School, Tandragee Junior High School, Tandragee Nursery, Button Moon Play Group. Sport: Tandragee Rovers play in the Mid-Ulster Football League. There is a golf course within the grounds of Tandragee Castle, within walking distance of the main street. It is 5,589 meters par 71, and a hilly parkland course. Tandragee is also home to the Tandragee 100, a motorcycle road racing event held each year on country roads near the town. Despite Tandragee's Protestant majority, the Gaelic Athletic Association also has a presence in the town. Tandragee's Gaelic football team is named the Redmond O'Hanlons, after the 17th century rapparee of the same name. Industry: Thomas Sinton opened a mill in town in the 1880s, an expansion of his firm from its original premises at nearby Laurelvale, a model village which he built. Sinton's mill, at the banks of the River Cusher, remained in production until the 1990s. The potato crisp company Tayto has a factory and offices beside Tandragee Castle. It offers guided tours. Transport: Tanderagee railway station opened on 6 January 1852 and was shut on 4 January 1965. There is an airstrip for landing and taking off of small aircraft near the old porridge factory. Demography: 2011 census. It had a population of 3,486 people, 1,382 households in the 2011 census. Of these, 82% were from a Protestant background and 12% were from a Roman Catholic background. 2001 census. Tandragee is classified as an intermediate settlement by the NI Statistics and Research Agency NISRA, i.e. with population between 2050 and 4,500 people. On Census Day 29 April 2001, there were 3,050 people living in Tandragee. Of these, 9% were aged under 16 years and 3% were aged 60 and over. 0% of the population were male and 0% were female. 9% were from a Protestant background and 5% were from a Roman Catholic background. 0% of people aged 1674 were unemployed. For more details, see NI Neighborhood Information Service.